See that? I found another wire. Looks like to me that may or may not be something that contributes to the power. I'm not getting my radio. However, it's just sometimes it's hard to get from spots. You know, I'm good in tight spaces. This is definitely. I'm gonna figure out one way or another. I'm gonna try to get it done by this weekend to figure out what's going on my radio. Cause soon as something happen, they take it somewhere. They'll take it up to so and so. They're specialized in this, and then they're gonna be talking about, well, if you took it anywhere else, would have been so and so amount of money. Nah, man, come on, man, y'all, this is ludicrous. Anyway, that's what I'm working on. I'm trying to get to that there. I got this little hook thing I can use to bring it down. To see if I can set this up here. Oh, there we go. Let's see. How did I get to that for some reason? I don't know if for some reason that is. Here's how I know it's not connected, because you see the little. It's a part up there. See, look. See what I'm talking about? All right, look, give me a second. See? It's not connected. See it? Oh, almost. That's probably with my power. So now that's the other one. I gotta get the hook to go other direction. Look, see what I'm talking about? Get it up there. Zoom in somewhere. See it? That's the opening there. Let me know that is not connected. Get it again. See? See how that's looking at me? Shows me that there's a disconnection there. See it? That's not connected. So that must be connected to something. I just don't know what.